In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your computer. This walkthrough assumes the app is already downloaded and installed, so once it opens, leave it ready on your screen. Next, open your web browser. Then open a new tab so you can search for the Google Drive desktop app without leaving anything else you already have open. In the search bar, type Google Drive Download, then press Enter. On the results page, look for the Google Drive page that says you can safely store your files and access them from any device. Choose folders on your computer to sync with Google Drive or backup to Google Photos, and access your content directly from your PC or Mac. When you see that page, you're in the right place. Click Download Drive for desktop. After the download finishes, set it up, and then open Google Drive once the installation is complete. Now go back to Obsidian. In the lower left corner, click the account name shown there. This opens the account area for your vault options. From that menu, click Manage Vaults. Then choose the option to create a new vault and click Create. You'll now need to enter a vault name. Click into the name field and type the name you want to use for this new vault. Say the name clearly as you enter it, because this will identify the vault inside Obsidian. After that, set the location for the vault. Click Browse to choose where the new vault will be stored. In the File Picker window, browse through your folders until you find your Google Drive folder. Select that Google Drive folder as a location for the vault so it can sync there. Once you confirm the location, complete the vault creation. After that, you should see the new vault listed under your account in Obsidian. That shows the vault has been placed in your Google Drive folder and connected through that location. At this point, you have successfully synced Obsidian with Google Drive. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Once you follow those steps and place the vault inside your Google Drive folder, the setup is complete. Congratulations!